From the providers, Voyery is a 50-meter, 165-foot HDMI transmitter receiver for your computer systems and more, and transfer to a monitor. We're going to open up the package, show you what's inside the box, how nicely it's presented. 4K 2160p wireless, 5 gigahertz with the instruction manual to go over. Transmitter, nice and large, with the button, remove the stickers. And the receiver that hooks up to your HDMI port. USB cable. Underneath the package is the accessory kit. And pulling out the adapter HDMI cable. USB-C compliance. USB-C to HDMI. And micro to HDMI. Hooking up to laptops, computers that have HDMI ports. Located on the side, plug in. We have a button, USB-C cable, plug in to a USB-A port. And the transmitter lights up with 3 blue lights. Within a couple of seconds, our screen is ready to transmit. We're going to plug in our receiver to the adapter and plug in the end to the monitor. As we plug into one of the ports, we can have a cable or directly in, and we need to plug in the USB-C to the USB-A. Locate a free port or a brick and plug in. When the TV's on, power will go on. Power is indicated and going over to the HDMI ports and our monitor screen. As we walk outside with the laptop, up to 50 feet or more, we're able to transmit our signal to the TV set. Your wireless HDMI system for projectors and more for long transmissions of 165 feet. Hooks up to computers, laptops, projectors, 4K video resolution 2160p HDMI transferable signal 5 gigahertz for monitoring laptop, computers, and more, and projectors. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a 50-meter transmission, transfer videos and shows through wireless connection. Thank you for viewing.